Well, today we're going to take a look at my 2009 Chevy Silverado. It's typical for the seats to wear really bad driver's side. As you can see, already replaced the whole seat cover once and the cushion. And now it's wore out again. I stitched it up temporarily and stitched this up here also. So today we bought seat covers. They look pretty good on Amazon. We'll open up the box, see what we got. Let's get it installed. Let's take a look and see what we got inside here. Comes in quite the bag. We'll get that opened up. Let's open it up. See what we got here. Well, to start off, we get 2 discs, 2 hooks. I'll put the 2 hooks down at this end over here. I'll show you how they're a little tough. You have to bend them a little bit, slide them in. These ones here, they work their way in here. I'll show you what it looks like once we got them both on. Well, this is the way they look. We got them positioned on here just nicely. Got these hooks on here. Had to bend them a little bit to get them on. Then you bend them back so it's nice and tight. Let's get them on the seat. Well, here we go. First seat cover on. We got the headrest on too. We'll go over it. We'll show you how to put it on when we put the other one on. Before we go any farther, we have to undo the zipper here. And that's where your headrest sticks out. Then we take this, slide it over top of the headrest and down the back. Let's carry on. There you go. You flip them just like this so they can't pull through. It'll keep your cushion cover nice and tight. On the other side, you pull it nice and tight all the way around, and you take the hooks that we got right here, hook them onto something solid underneath, and keep the tension nice and tight. Don't hook it on any wires. There's probably a spring or a bracket, and it'll keep this seat cover nice and tight. Got the hooks on, cushion's nice and tight. Let's do the zipper up. We'll do the zipper up nice and tight all the way to here. Do both sides. Then we'll put the cushion cover on your headrest. Well, the headrest covers, they're just snapped together with these clips. Slide it over like this. Stretch the elastic, snap them together, and position it just right. Then turn it to reposition it so it fits perfect. There you go. Front buckets are done. Let's move on to the back seats. We get the right cushion for the right side. Put this saucer on and push these elastics through the seat, and then we'll put the center one on. Here's the center one. It's got 2 straps on both sides. Position it in the center, push both straps through, then we'll lift the seat up and get these 2 in position. Using this strap that we push through the bottom, we go through this one and through this one and snap it in place. Well, there you have it. The strap has to go through this strap, then across to this strap, and then snap in to this strap holding this cushion nice and snug, with your clip in the back over here turned so that it won't pull through the back. Well, let's do the same thing on the other side and get the other cushion cover on. Well, to install the back seat covers, got to put 2 discs on here, and then we'll continue with the install. So all we do here, push the 2 discs behind the seat and turn them, and then wrap this around the headrest and snap it in place. And that holds this cover on this seat. Well, there you go. The tabs are pushed through and turned. Headrest is on. Let's move over and do the other side. Well, there you have it. The back seat covers are on. Now all you got to do is go over to here, move the seat belt out of the way, and zip. There's a zipper right here. Put these 2 panels together, and then we're all done. Well, there you go. Fully installed. Looks amazing. Hopefully it helps you install yours. There you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next project.